Shati Mohan.
Shati Mohan.
Shati Mohan.
Shakti Mohan.
Shati Mohan.
Shati Mohan.
Shati Mohan.
Shati Mohan.
Shati Mohan.
Shati Mohan.
Today I am shooting for L'Oreal in Serbia and heading for the shoot right now. Getting in. I hope it all goes well. I was really excited to go to Serbia and shoot for my ad, especially L'Oreal. I've been watching it since I was a kid. We have arrived at our location. So many people here flew from India for this shoot. So many people came from Paris, and now it's going to come alive. This is the set. It's a very beautiful place. A lot of warm people. So exciting. And I met the most amazing person. I'm working with the world's greatest artist who's made my hair look like this.
No, you are an artist. It's still an artist.
Meet Stefan, who is a legend in his field. He styles everybody's hair for L'Oreal campaigns. And that's beautiful Sonia. मैं एक अलग ही लड़की बन चुकी हूँ. बहुत लड़की वाली फीलिंग आ रही है मुझे. With all the hair and everything. Okay, now going for trials. So when I reached there, we had trials with the L'Oreal team. There were so many people from India, from Paris, and all of them wanted to look at the outfits, kept on trying many clothes, shoes. Finally, it's going to happen. The moment is here. This is make it or break it situation. Super exciting. Best opportunity of my life. I'm so happy. So when I reached on the terrace where they were shooting my dance sequence, I was wearing a beautiful top. I loved that top and my pants, and I was super comfortable. I was not at all worried about my hair length or anything. I was super chill. I played my own tracks and they were like, just do whatever you want to do. I was shaking my hair around, doing my turns, leaps, and doing all kinds of improvised movements that I loved doing. Scene was beautiful. There was sunset right behind me. Like at least 15 to 20 people from the crew standing there in front of me, and I had to deliver. It was feeling unreal to me that I'm here and I'm shooting with the best crew. One most beautiful thing that happened in this campaign was I realized I was one of their first dancers to represent L'Oreal. I felt extremely proud being a part of this campaign as a dancer, because there are people from Bollywood, sports industry, all these are very popular. But being a dancer, choreographer, become a face, it was amazing, and I felt there is so much recognition given to the dancers and to women today. L'Oreal. I've been watching it since I was a kid, and I always felt I wanted to turn around and say, I'm worth it. And this opportunity came and I could not stop blushing.
3, 2, 1, go!
And that moment also happened. It was incredible, mind-blowing. I'm a shade apart. I believe in dancing to my own tunes, in creating my own moves. That's why I choose Casting Creme Gloss from L'Oreal Paris. 11 glossy shades. My shade, Cherry. It's unstoppable like my energy, fiery like my spirit. I'm a shade apart. Casting Creme Gloss from L'Oreal Paris. I'm worth it. Shoot is over and I had the time of my life. बहुत amazing shoot था. We had incredible people in the team. taking care of us. This is what I learned from the entire shoot. I think the biggest blessing was getting to know Stefan. And when I asked him that, how come you are so happy and always smiling? He's like, I love what I do. And this was such a big lesson for me to learn, because this is how I want to be. Even at the shoot, when I'm dancing on the terrace, I saw him. He's blowing my hair with the blower fan. I was shocked because he could have just done my hair and left for home, and his assistants could have handled it, but he was throughout there running around wherever I was moving. Best thing was meeting Stefan and learning this from him, and I felt extremely proud and grateful to everybody who has supported me in my journey. To be there wasn't easy. There were a lot of hardships, and still there are. And I believe as long as we keep on doing everything with love and passion, we'll get there.